Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on our back knuckle strike, or Cap Kwan Kong Kyuck.
Cap Kwan Kong Kyuck, sir.
Once more, Cap Kwan
Kong
Kyuck.
Kyuck.
Very good. Make a fist. Good. Now this, we are striking with the back of our hand. That's what it means. It means back knuckle. I'm thinking about like you're slapping somebody, but with a fist position. So your hand starts across, and you bring it step, and you bring it across. Now, you bring it out like this. You can retract it after you strike, but for demonstration purposes, we're gonna leave it out. And reset once more. Ready? Height!
Hey!
Good. And reset. Opposite side. Height!
Hey!
And reset. Height!
Hey!
Good. Now once on a target. Ready? Height!
Hey!
Good. And reset. So if you find yourself doing this kind of thing and swinging with your thumb going downwards, you have not did the correct technique. That is incorrect. So the thumb always needs to be up, and it's going across to the side of the temple. That's where it's striking. And that is our back knuckle, or Cap Kwan Kong Kyuck in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.